Help me, O Lord. Help me. Help me. Help me. I can't die like this. Help me. Help me, O Lord.
People who look at you today, allow them to keep talking about you. They will be the witnesses when you rise. They will say we are part of those who laughed at them. We know it's true. You follow the right path. Don't be ashamed of your scars. Don't be ashamed of your tears. If you are moving and you fall, get up and dust yourself and keep moving. Keep moving. The time it takes to regret is the same time it takes to go forward. Go forward.
Help me. Help me. Help me.